Hi everyone. Now I have you that this milk we had here just changed colors, and obviously the constants of it. It's more creamy, more compact, more sticky if you can hear this, but I don't think you can. All this that is sticky in the size of the casserole, it's already jamoncillo because it's sticky. So you just gotta keep on mixing and mixing a little bit harder because it feels a little bit heavier. And then you're gonna keep on doing this for maybe about 5 more minutes. I've been here for like an hour or so. And then just keep on doing it a little bit more. We're sooner gonna get the product. Um, Keep on mixing. After this, I want you to keep on mixing it up. Even though if you just turn out the heat in a few seconds, that's gonna be when we're doing it. Keep on mixing it until it cools down a little bit for like 5 more minutes. I know you're tired and everything because it's a long procedure, but you can sit down and then keep on mixing it and mixing it. This is for you to try to make some kind of shapes with the jamoncillo after it's done. So it won't stick to you, it won't stick through your fingers. I'm sorry. And then you can try to make some churros or some cylinders or some little squares or maybe kinds of cookies, little balls with the jamoncillo. Now, if you can see, it's a little more compact. See, I'm having like a little bit hard time just because I'm using my one hand, but it's more compact. The jamoncillo will be ready in a few moments, or at least we're gonna turn off the heat and sit down for a little while because I am tired. I am really tired. My hand is tired. And then I want to give you a warning. Please, everybody, don't wash your hands because since you're being here for like an hour or so mixing this jamoncillo, sorry about that. Then if you wash your hands, you probably we're having we call it rheumas, and it's a really hard pain in your hands because if you hadn't been for a long time using your hands in heat or using it, then you can have really strong pains after all. So see, this is ready. Just a few more seconds, and just turn off the heat and keep on mixing it. I don't know what to do because I'm using my both hands. So hold on a second. If now you can see, I already moved my casserole away from the heat, and I'm just keep on mixing it so it will cool down a little bit because it's still really hot. So just try to keep on mixing it until it comes like a little bit paste. And then I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to show you the final product because my camera battery is dying. But this is already the jamoncillo. You're just going to let it, I don't know, maybe cool down for a little while. And then you can eat it. It's really sweet. And if you can smell this, oh my god, you will be dying like as I am. So just keep on mixing it up, and then this is the jamoncillo.